What's happening, guys? Coming at you from the warehouse here in Las Vegas with a quick update for Sundown Audio. We have already started our Black Friday pricing on Sundown Audio. It's up to 20% off of 99% of Sundown Audio products. The ones that we have in stock, they're allowing sales on all these products, which is insane for Sundown Audio because usually Sundown doesn't really allow that many sales. They'll allow like a couple of different amps and a couple of different subs, and that's about it. But for them to offer virtually their entire product line, even up to the Sundown XV3s that just released, I think they're 15 or 20% off. Crazy for Sundown to do this. All the SFB amplifiers that you see up to my right, up here, all 20% off. We stock them deep, so y'all can take advantage of the sale and we can get you taken care of. There's a ton of other products that we have on the sale list. I'm just gonna go through a few of them. We have all the all the 8-inch subwoofers over here. Virtually everything. I'm not gonna point at everything, but SA series subwoofers, E series subwoofers, in all sizes, I believe. The best thing to do to know exactly what's on sale is to go to downforsoundshop.com and you will see the pricing on the items that are eligible for sales pricing. You'll see like a little green banner on there that says sale, so that'll let you know that they're on sale. Also, we also just included the loaded enclosures that we just got in with the LCS series subs and the E series subs, so you can get loaded enclosures for Black Friday sale pricing as well. So these are already starting to roll out. We're sending out pallets of those today. Popular items are the SFB series amplifiers, and also even more popular than that is the Salt series amplifiers. We stocked the Salt series amplifiers as deep as possible so we could take care of you. We have all the mids and highs over here. The Neo Pros are very popular from Sundown. Neo Pros, the coaxials that we just got in, even their 6x9s, their SA 6.5 V3 component set is very popular. For it to be discounted this much is unheard of. But yeah, all the Salt series amplifiers, I don't know the exact discounting of it off the top of my head, but like I said, it's up to 20% off of the items. So a Salt 12 is like a $4,600 amplifier, so if you take 20% off of that, it's probably going to be close to $1,000 off of a Salt 12. So be sure to check them out on downforsoundshop.com. Save you some money. This is going to be going until the end of this month. So you have now until the end of this month. Again, Sundown's never done this, especially for this long of a time. Also be on the lookout for all the other brands that we sell on Down for Sound. Cerwin Vega is already participating in a brand-wide discount as well. I think 15% off of Cerwin Vega stuff, so check them out. But I'm pretty sure most of the other brands are going to be following suit, or following. Well, anyway, they're going to be following along on everybody else doing some sales during the holidays, so we can get you guys taken care of.
What's up, guys? This is Ryan Klein from Cerwin Vega Diamond Audio. We're live at Sema. Today we're introducing our XED high performance amplifiers. We just came out with a new HED series. We've got some action cameras and DVRs for motorsports, but today we're talking about our Vega series. It's our classic red surround. It's what we're known for, high performance speakers. Introduced to you guys today the VMAX Shallow. These are a high performance shallow woofer. High excursion for a shallow woofer. Gives you traditional output but in a small space, small box. We also have our high performance VMAX series that we just came out with. We offered a 6.5, which is what I have here. We also have it in an 8, 10, 12, and a 15 for your bass needs.
Like I said, Cerwin Vega is joining in on the Black Friday sales as well, up to 15% off of their items. I have a couple of their, or looks like 4 of their popular items that they have. Their 6x9s right here. The Stroker series is one of the most popular ones from them. So you're gonna have a mid-woofer and a tweeter. And then their horns right here, very popular too on the Stroker series. And some of my favorite ones are actually these, the coaxials with the horn in the middle. These things are insanely loud, so be sure to check out the Pro series from Cerwin Vega. They have a horn in the middle instead of a tweeter. Like this one has a tweeter right there. This one has a tweeter horn. So a horn and a mid, very, very loud these are. These are very popular too for a more budget series. coming in from Cerwin Vega. So be sure to check these out on downforsoundshop.com. You can get them for 15% off going from right now when you see this video all the way to the end of this month to celebrate the Black Friday deals. So be sure to check out Cerwin Vega. So guys, if you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.